with
it's got
guest bath. Oh,
two
so this is that guest
bedrooms.
area you told me about. This is like right in front of the pool.
This cantilever's over the guest house above the pool.
I see. And the guest house is on the pool level access.
Yeah. So actually, you know,
Big spiral
looking at
stair.
the spiral going down from this level and spiral going up to that,
Interior
and this
spiral.
comes from the motor court level.
Wow.
So you know,
It
this
is a nice
this is all
right here. You see, so we're all the way up here where my finger is, right?
yes, yeah, at least.
And then we're gonna come down. We're gonna probably stand somewhere in here, looking out over the pool, right? Or maybe in here, looking down at that.
Correct.
Level. Or oops, did you guys see my finger on that?
Anyway, so the amount of foundation work in solid rock is extensive, and being able to move equipment around holes is not the easiest thing to do. So logistically, it's very challenging.
Well, moving around holes with what percent grade is this? Like 8%, 9%?
No, it's more like 23.
23% grade. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I was only off by a factor of 3. So, God, and this is the upper level garage.
So this is the garage and the motor court. So the motor court actually.
Where's that?
Oh.
The rendering.
Yeah.
So this, what we're looking at, this plan.
So this is this level up here.
Okay.
Thank you.
There you go.
There we go. So that's the elevator in the garage, which
That's
is
the garage, which is
right here. So the motor court
So
cantilevers.
that tower right there, that
this.
tower right, where am I? I can't
This
see it.
one.
Point to it. Okay, that tower.
This tower is right
is
there.
that tower in plan view.
Right. So what this does is this motor court cantilevers over the lower, the main deck to create a shelter or a covered area to get to the main door.
Okay.
This area also cantilevers over what will be the kitchen and lounge, as well as the entry, so that you are now inside as you go down.
So from the motor court, you walk across and get out of your cars, walk across, and then come down the entry foyer with some places to sit, and then you go down the spiral staircase to the living rooms.
Right. So, and that's the.
I want to live here.
Right.
Just visit
So
me.
this is the entry foyer. So
Which is
it's a
which is
viewing
this guy,
area,
right? Which is
spectacular.
That guy right there.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Wow.
going down.
And this is
So
where you
this
drop
is
down those
the
stairs right
covered
here.
area here
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the
yeah,
beams, and you drop into, and this drops down, and you are now into the
So
front
the
door.
garage is over here
Up
above,
top,
and here's the
yes.
elevator and that tower.
Right. And this is the entry. So you've got your master suite is the whole west side. You've got your living and dining room, kitchen, and stairs down to the next level, as well as exterior stairs down to the next level. And this is a barbecue fireplace area outside the main kitchen. And of course a wine room.
Of course, not just a wine room, a circular wine room.
Yes, indeed. And then
The
this
thing
is
about
the
radiuses, though, as we all know, one of the simpler things in the world to do, right?
Oh,
True
absolutely.
radius, all you need is a travel point.
Yep. It's going to be a fun build once we get out of the ground. Getting out of the ground is not that fun.
No, it's not. You got it, and I just got to interject here. Getting out of the ground is virtually the most important part of the whole thing, because if you screw up down there, it all translates all the way up.
Yeah.
Right?
So
got to get it down, and it's the hardest part to get it down, because So you had
It's
a
the
surveyor
roughest-
out here. You had a surveyor.
yes,
initially.
absolutely.
You
We've got
surveyed
all the
your
grid lines,
Grid lines and
that
monuments out. And,
Right.
And they gave you grid lines, yes.
yeah. So the thing that's most important is knowing the entire build and how it goes, all the finishes, how they interact with the
The big
structural.
Big picture.
And without that, you know, you can be off a lot, and I don't have tolerances on this. We've got structural I-beams that have a 2-inch finish around them. If you miss that on a 2-inch finish, then you're kind of SOL.
SOL, and I'll explain that later.
So, and then
we go down to
from that upper deck, which comes out over, so
right.
this here juts out here, overlooking the pool, and the guest house is half underneath the upper deck and half out. Right, so that's this area. But
there's the pool, and of course, infinity lit pool. It just kind of, the water just disappears, flows over. Oh, I love that. I swam in Warren Beatty and Annette Benning's when I did their gates on Coldwater Canyon.
Nice.
They were in Europe or something.
All right, you want to take a walk?
Yeah, let's take a walk. So this is. I want you guys just to see the plans. This is the plan. Let's just spin through.
Well, this is the architecturals.
Yeah, that's just the architecturals, including what we've been through as the architecturals in sight.
That's all the architecturals. These are the structurals.
That's
of all the way that the foundation works with the wide flange columns and the grade beams.
Oh man, he's really giving me some information, isn't he? Oh my gosh, I love this.
Yeah. So, and then of course you have civils, plumbing, mechanical, electrical, lighting, and all the finishes. So those are all the plans to do this house.
Yeah, I'd say the architects and the engineers probably made some bank. Okay, so we're gonna say goodbye to Duncan's trailer, Duncan's office, Duncan's mobile job site office. We're gonna say, well, first we're gonna say hello to it. Oh, here it is. Here's another rendition. That's cool too. That's a good looking rendition, but not as nice as that pen and ink one. That's bitching. So finished schedule. Hardware's been picked out.
Yeah, these are all the
Riviera
bronze doors and windows.
Golly. Oh, Riviera bronze. So it's all bronze doors and windows?
Not all. We've got about 25% Anderson clad windows.
75% Riviera bronze?
Yeah.
What's the fenestration number? Like,
I'm not going to tell you.
Like 5 million for the no, it can't be that much.
For the doors and windows?
Yeah.
No, it's only 750,000.
Oh, pshaw. Okay, so I'm going to shut down